In this video, I'm going to show you how to save WhatsApp chat as a PDF. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up WhatsApp, then go to the chat that you would like to go ahead and export as a PDF. Okay, then once you're in the chat, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on these three buttons, then go ahead and select on more, then go ahead and select on export chat just like so. And then you guys have the option to include media, basically all the images and videos, or without it. So that is 100% up to you. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead and press on include media. And then there you go. It is now going to give you something that looks like this. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on your WhatsApp profile again. So you want to send it to yourself basically. Yep, just like this. Then you want to go ahead and just press on send right over here. Okay, then afterwards you want to go ahead and click on that file. Then it is going to say open with, and there's going to be a bunch of file managing software out there. So if you're watching this and you have an Android device, I recommend using this app called File Manager. And let me go ahead and quickly show you guys really quickly. So all you need to do is you need to go ahead and look up File Manager just like so. And then it is this app in particular. So it is called File Manager Plus. I recommend using this app because it is one of the more easier like file managing software out there. So I highly recommend that you guys use that. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and open the file using that app. Obviously, you could use other alternatives. And if you're on iOS, you can use a built-in iOS software. The process is basically going to be the same thing, except the UI and the buttons might look slightly different. But anyways, you want to go ahead and open it just like this. Now, from here, you guys should see that we have a .txt file. And then the rest of the stuff is going to be the images, the videos and stuff like that. So now what you want to do is you want to long press on the video. Then you want to select on copy. And now what you want to do is you want to exit out. Then you want to open up File Manager. Go ahead and do that really quickly. Okay, once you open up File Manager, go ahead and open up your downloads folder or any other folder where you can go ahead and actually, put this file in. And then all you want to do is you want to select on paste just like so. So yep, here it is. And now we need to turn this .txt file into a PDF. And in order to do that, I recommend opening up any web browser. Then look up txt to PDF right over here. Then go to the free convert website right over here. Then go ahead and select on choose files. And then now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pick that file, the txt file that we did just move to our downloads folder. All right, yep, we have it selected over here. Now make sure that where it says output that it says PDF, and once you're 100% ready, go ahead and just press on continue. And then there you go. It is now going to go ahead and begin converting your .txt file. Then once it's done, go ahead and press on download just like so. And if we go ahead and look in our files, you will now notice that yep, we have the WhatsApp messages right over here, and we can basically keep everything in one place in a PDF file. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.